So welcome in this lecture of parabola. Now today I am taking parabola curve construction of it by two methods, that is rectangle method and tangent method. As we know that what is parabola? When a ball is thrown up in the air, just remember when a cricketer hit a six, then the horizontal distance is shown on the screen. Whatever the horizontal distance covered by that sixer, so that is called base. Means when a ball is thrown up in the air and reaches a maximum height and then again fall on the ground, this distance is called base of parabola, and definitely this is the axis of parabola. So we draw here base and axis, whatever it may be given. So when base and axis is given, we can draw parabola by two methods. One is rectangle and another is tangent method. So first I am going to explain the construction of rectangle method. How we draw parabola by rectangle method. Suppose the base and axis is given. Definitely we draw the base and at the center we mark the axis, whatever it be given. Now we complete a rectangle. Now we complete a rectangle. Now divide this, we name it. Suppose this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S, and this center point is suppose O. Okay, this point also we can name suppose L. Okay, now divide PR and RO into same equal number of parts. Means the number of parts are same. Different distance may be different, but the number of parts is same. Suppose we divide this PR into 10 equal parts. This is also divided into 10 equal parts. Suppose we this divide into 5 equal parts. This RO is also divided into 5 equal parts. And definitely it is depend on the distance given. Okay, suppose this distance comes 45 and this distance comes 50, so we can easily divide into 5 equal parts. Okay, so but the minimum parts we taken, that is 4, not 3, 4. So we divide this and this into 5 equal parts, or suppose 4 equal parts. Okay, so divide this distance into 4 equal parts. This distance PR and this distance Q is same. So whatever method we apply here, we can apply here. So in the same, we can also take here parts. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This and this distance divide into 4 equal parts. So this is 4 parts, this is 4 parts. So we named here 1, 2, 3. So numbering same 1, 2, 3. Now we numbered here 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. Now these numbers start from here, 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. Okay. Now join 1, 2, 3 to point M. 1, 2, 3 to point M. Like this. So we join point 1, 2, 3 to n. Now draw perpendicular lines on 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. The first perpendicular line draw on 1 dash till it intersect 1 n. Just like this on 2 dash till it intersect 2 n, and just like 3 dash till it intersects 3 n. Same way we can draw here. Now these are our required points. We can name here P1, P2, P3. This is again we can say P3, P2 and P1. Now if we join these points by a free and smooth curve, we get the required parabola. Start from here, draw a free and smooth curve. So this is our required parabola by rectangle method. Okay. Now for parabola I am going to apply another method. It is called tangent method. As we know, when the base and axis is given, we can draw parabola by these two methods. In this, there is some change that you must remember, that this is the base and this is the axis. Suppose whatever it be given, you just double this axis, then start the process. Now how? See here, whatever this is your axis, so I am going to double it. Means whatever the length of axis given, you should double it. This is the length of axis and we just double it. This is our point N and O, as in last case. Okay. Now we join, suppose this point is A and this point is B. We join So this is our triangle. In this we going to apply this method. Now divide AM and BM or MB into same equal number of parts, and that parts we take even parts, not odd parts, just like 8, 10 or 12. Now we divide AM into 10 equal parts and MB into 10 equal parts. Okay. So whatever is distance, you can measure it and then going to divide. You just measure this distance and by any process you can divide it. We numbered here, starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now start numbering from here. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash and 9 dash. Okay. So divide AM and MB into same equal number of parts, suppose 10, and start numbering from here on AM and start numbering from here on MB. Okay, now we have to join 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash by a straight line. Just join 1 to 1 dash. Then 2 to 2 dash, 3 to 3 dash, 4 to 4 dash, 5 to 5 dash, 6 to 6 dash, 7 to 7 dash, 8 to 8 dash, 9 to 9 dash. So just we have to draw or join 1 to 1 dash, 2 to 3 dash, 3 to 4, 4 to 4 dash, like this. Okay. Now whatever the lines we find, these are supposed to be tangent on the curve which we have to draw, that is parabola. So by assuming that these are the lines tangent on curve, we just draw a curve from A to B through touching these points, because these lines are tangent on curve. So just draw a curve like this, that it just touches every line, just touches every line. This is the our required parabola by tangent method. Okay, so these are the two methods used when the base and axis is given. But only the remember is, you should remember that in tangent method you should double the axis, then draw the triangle. Okay, bye.